Just south of Portland, in the shadow of Mount Hood, Molalla, Oregon is home to the West Coast's only Quanex custom components plant, making it a key player in Quanex's commitment to supplying quality products across North America. Since becoming a part of Quanex in 2015 as part of the Woodcraft acquisition, the 135 team members continue to average over $22 million in revenue per year. With the next closest QCC plant over 1,500 miles away, the Molalla plant has a responsibility to service the entire West Coast with a large portfolio of assembled wood products. From cabinet doors, lineal stock, and rough mill components, to drawer boxes, lazy Susans, and floating shelves. And with the capability to serve over 35 customers, their capacity has become one of the highest across all plants at Quanex. The Molalla team are able to mold, plane, route, profile, assemble, sand, and ship a staggering 3,200 cabinet doors each day, all made possible by the hard work and dedication of each and every team member, as well as a suite of technologies including S90 optimizers, automated sizing checks, and a one-of-a-kind barcode tracking system that tracks every door independently through the production process, making a direct impact on the quality and traceability of every customer order through every stage of production. Plant manager Tracy Rumsey credits the success of his plant to the culture that has been established by empowering each team member to have ownership over the process and by giving them the ability to believe in themselves and be self-sustaining in their own roles. This culture has developed into a legacy of engagement, highlighted by the team winning the 2022 Quanex Engagement Award for their team's commitment to creating a better workplace, having fun together, and trying to grow the awareness of Quanex within the Molalla community.
So to do that, we actually have an engagement committee that we have here that is employee ran. What are we doing this month for engagement to community and internal? So we make sure we have an external thing going on, but we're also doing an internal engagement. It could be quality, it could be safety, but part of the engagement is really getting this group to sustain this business for themselves, and they just need that forum to do it, and we do it in the engagement committee.
The plant has even set up a program to help employees who are interested in learning English as a second language achieve their goal. One of the many reasons why employees are driven to succeed both at work and in their personal lives and are recognized for their individual achievements. Having an empowered team has also helped employees be more accountable for safety, recognized by the plant being over 2 years with no recordable injuries.
I think our team here is very dynamic and very diverse, which is great. I think our culture here in Molalla is really one that I call it self-sustaining. It doesn't require somebody to be able to drive it, it drives itself. So it's about providing them with more than just a place to work. It's making a place where they can grow and they can be part of something bigger. And it's not just about building the product, but it's about building the better people that want to build that product for you. So that's kind of been our success here in Molalla.
As one of Quanex's powerhouses on the West Coast, Molalla has shown that empowering a team not only leads to a culture of success, but one that is self-sustaining for a better future.
In Molalla, Oregon, we are part of something bigger.